Hello, in this video we'll be talking about how to fix the application has failed to start because its side-by-side configuration is incorrect. So this basically happens when you are installing a new software and you have installed it successfully, but when you try to run it, this error happens. And this happens because the softwares you are installing, which is any software, runs on Microsoft Visual C++ codes, and each version of the software has its own version of Microsoft Visual C++ versions. So in that case, when I am trying to run the SPSS 23 in this case, and I got this error. But if I look at in the internet, we can see that IBM SPSS Statistics version 23 primarily uses Microsoft Visual C++ 2008 and Microsoft Visual C++ 2010. If I go to the control panel, I can see that the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015, 13, and 10 are available in my PC, but the 2008 is not installed. And that is why when I run the SPSS 23 version, it is failing to run and showing that error. So if I just install the 2008 Microsoft Visual C++ version, and that will fix my problem. Let me just show you what I am facing here. If I close it and try to run my SPSS 23 version, and you can see that I am facing this problem. And you have also seen that it runs on the Visual C++ 2008, and I don't have it in my control panel. See, and I'm going to install the Microsoft Visual C++ C++ 2008 to fix the problem. I will download it from this site. You can see Microsoft Visual C++ 2008 service Redistributable, and I will download it from here. I will select all the options. You have to select all the options from here and click download. You can see it is downloading here, and once it is downloaded, we will install it and try to run the software to see if the problem is fixed or not. And if we go to the download options, we can see the Microsoft Visual C++ 2008 is here, and we will install it. We'll press yes, I accept, and it is installing. You can see. Next, I will accept the terms. Next, and install. It is almost installed. Finish. So it is installed. And if we try to run the SPSS 23 version now, it will successfully open and run. So it is loading. You can see it is fixed and it is running properly. So the main problem is you don't have the Microsoft Visual C++ version for your specific software you are trying to run. And if you have to check in the control panel that Microsoft Visual C++ is available or installed in your computer or not. If not, you have to install it. And if you already have that Microsoft Visual C++ version and still it is not working, you may need to repair your Microsoft Visual C++. Go to the settings. But majority of you may face this problem because you don't have the specific Microsoft Visual C++ version for your specific software. And if you have it, you have to go to your settings, and from the settings go to your installed apps and type here C++, and this will bring up your specific versions. And if you already have the specific version and still it is not working, you have to repair it or you have to modify it. You can see the modify option. You will just modify it, and you can also uninstall it and again install it from the internet, and this will surely fix your problem. If it doesn't, one final step can be done. You have to go to the settings, and from the settings you have to go to the systems, and from the systems you will have to go to the recovery and reset your PC. While resetting your PC, you have to keep your important files so that it doesn't remove. Otherwise, if you don't select this one, all of your files and apps may be removed. And this is the absolute last resort. I don't recommend using this option. Try the first two methods. It will definitely fix your problem. And if it doesn't, there is something serious issue in your desktop, and you have to reset your PC to gain the access to run the specific software. So thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please do subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.